Hello and welcome to Logic Links. I'm going to be explaining to you how to solve your logic links. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what your logic links puzzles will look like. It will tell you at the top the different color of dots or chips that you are going to be using. So in this one you have two yellow chips, one red chip, one orange chip, one green chip, one blue chip, one purple chip, one white chip, and one black chip. You will have a certain amount of clues. So this one actually has 5 clues. What you're going to want to do is first read the clues. Then I want you to go back and reread the clues and start placing your chips. So the first one says clue 1. The green chip is directly below the blue chip. The white chip is directly below the purple chip. Clue 3, the green chip is directly to the left of the red chip, sorry. Clue 4, the black chip is directly below the orange chip. And clue 5, the black chip and the blue chip are in the same row, but they do not touch. Okay, so let's get started. Remember, these are rows, these are columns. Okay, the green chip is directly below the blue chip. So let's take our green chip and put it right here. I'm just picking one. Oops, it looks like there we go. I had to take the white off there. And then it says it's below the blue chip. So we're going to move the blue chip to right here. Okay, the white chip is directly below the purple chip. So let's just pick right here, and it's below the purple chip. So let's put a purple chip there. Now, you could have put it over here. I don't know for sure. I am just picking a place to put them. So I'm just going to put them back there. It says the green chip is directly to the left of the red chip. So let's place our red chip here because that would put our green chip to the left of our red. Now it says the black chip is directly below the orange chip. Now we don't have our orange chip placed, so let's skip that one and see. Now it says the black chip and the blue chip are in the same row but do not touch. So it looks like if we put our black one right here, it would be in the same row, but they are not touching. Now we can go back to this clue. The black chip is directly below the orange chip. So we're going to grab our orange chip. See if I can grab it. And we're going to put it right there. Now, we have our yellow chips left. So, assuming we have this correct, our yellow chips are going to go right here. And as I take a look at my answers, looks like we are correct. Good job. Now, remember, don't hesitate to have to move your chips. Reread your directions and move your chips all over it. It might take a few times reading through and placing your chips in different spots. Do the best you can and try and solve all of the slides. Good luck.